Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Minecraft Warrior 19, and today we're gonna play some games. Let's play some Subway Surfer.
He proved that it wasn't his fault and it was this other person's fault. I'm like, fault factor doesn't count. I was pretty sure the fault factor didn't even matter so much in Ontario, but I said probably if he was not at fault, then this woman probably has no claim against him.
Well, it sounds, even if he was in the middle of this, theoretically,
Yeah.
he still hit the woman that sued him.
No, she hit him. She came flying into him.
Oh, I thought there was,
Well, she spun around or something, and I guess, I don't know if he was still moving, and then she kind of slammed into him. I guess they slammed into each other. I don't know, I didn't ask, again.
I'd like to see the police
I'm
report.
better than this.
I don't really
Just
care.
because I'm holding the
Ask minimal
camera.
questions
It's hard.
because she
Damn.
cannot- once she gets decided on something,
Damn.
she can't stop saying the same
Turn.
thing over and over again.
Turn.
And I can't just, like, work it out.
Bye, guys. That was Minecraft Warrior 19.